This is amazing too. Look at that. Like looks of a silver stone. I don't know. So look at that. Look at this. See? I don't know. This is another one. If you look like have a design. Oh, so I try to wash. What design? This have design. Look at the design. It's amazing stone. Yay. Look at that. See? Wow. I don't know what the inside. I like to break, but if I'm breaking, so damage the design. Your design is damaged. So what we call this? Like a teddy bear. What is this? Then foot, and then mouth, nose, and eyes. I don't know. And then this one. What is this? It is design. If you hear the design like uh, I don't know. So I really like to collection the stone. Look at this. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah. This one on the top, on her top, I don't know what is this on the top. So amazing. The design there in the other side, like same design. Like have eyes, and then what kind of animal is this? And then that one, what is that? Yeah. So that is here. Her design. I don't know what kind of stone design. Like have what we call this. If you look under, amazing like bear or teddy bear or what? What is design? Like this. What is design? Snake. What is that snake? Huh? Yeah, this is amazing stone. Look at that. On the top, what we call this frog. Oh la la, it's amazing. Yeah, I don't know what the design is that. So when I look this here, another side. Oh, that is here on the top. Design. So if I put it like this, what is the top? What? So what is this? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yan. That is my special stone. That is very kind of stone. And this is normal design also. This is normal design. And this is normal design also. I really like collected the stone, but I have many stone collect, but this is so kind of stone design. Yeah. And the other one. And then the other one. Like very nice, very nice color, very nice design. Oh, especially the other one, very nice design. Yeah, all my collection, this is so kind. Yeah, and I have a break stone. Where is this? I break in the small stone because I want to see inside. So when I break, that have an elements like crystal. But if you turn on the lights and very, you know, I think this is crystal. Eh. So about this one, where is it now? This one. Yeah, this is so kind crystal. Crystal. When I break it, I saw this inside. This is crystal. Hmm. See? See? Amazing. But her skin like this. Like this. So what will happen if I break in this one? But I don't like brick because sayang eh. This one also. Oh my god. The figure is very nice. How about this one, huh? This is so kind of stone also, this one. I don't know, this is a green stone, the other one. Green stone. Huh? Look at that. Even I cannot wash. Even I cannot put in the water. That is still shiny. Yeah. Guys. Okay.